In this tutorial, we'll show you the step-by-step process of how to change the wallpaper on your laptop running Windows 10 or Windows 11. This is also going to work if you are on your desktop PC, and the process is absolutely the same. The first thing that we'll do is to right-click on our desktop, and then you want to select the Personalize option from the following menu. That's going to open the Settings window, and we have to make sure that the Background option is selected at the left side of your screen. If we click on this button under the Background section, it's going to give us 3 different options, and I'll explain what each of those are. We have the Picture option, the Solid Color option, and the Slideshow option. If you want to change your wallpaper into a single photo, then select the Picture option, and you will be able to click any of these photos, and your wallpaper will be changed automatically. And if you want to add your custom photo, simply select the Browse option, and that's going to open up the File Explorer. Find the photo that you want to set as your laptop wallpaper, and that's it. But we also have the Solid Color option, and that will give us an option to set any of these colors as a wallpaper for our laptop or desktop PC. So if you like this minimalist approach, you can set a solid color. The last option is to add a slideshow as our wallpaper. So if you want multiple different photos as wallpapers that change after a certain period of time, then select the slideshow option, and make sure that the photos that you want to add to the slideshow are saved into one folder on your computer. So create a folder, add all of the photos you want as a wallpaper, then click on Browse. I've named my folder Wallpaper, and I'll just select that. You can also set a time on when you want your wallpapers to change automatically, and I'll set this to 10 minutes. And now my laptop will automatically change the photos every 10 minutes. If you have any comments or suggestions, make sure to leave them in the comment section down below, and make sure to subscribe to the channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks a lot, and I will see you soon.